Hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Information. Myself Said Namda. In today's video, we're gonna cover the topic how to make your character move and jump with animation in Scratch. I'm not gonna use gravity, so make sure you have some basic knowledge about Scratch, and those who don't, they can check out my previous video. So let's begin. So first, we wanna delete the sprite and add a sprite who has a walking animation. So let me choose, and yeah, I found a one. Yeah, okay, so let's check his costumes, and we have to add a costume, a fifth costume, in which this character is still not moving. So let's go. So I will just duplicate it and just erase it. Okay, we have finally edited the character and made it stand still. Okay, we have a costume, so we'll rename it to we'll just add standing in it. Okay, we have a character, we have a new costume, so let's go and just add a backdrop. So I'm going to use this boardwalk, so let's make it small. It's actually a little big, so for me I will resize it to 80. Okay, so it's perfect. Okay, now I'm going to place it to the start of the backdrop, so it's here, and what is this? Okay. It's some kind of glitch. Yeah, so let's check its position. So yeah, it's minus 187, and let's make it little higher. Oh yeah, yeah, I got it. It's minus 206 and minus 37 is the position of my character from where it will start to work. So let's start coding. So we're gonna just add, let's go to event and add when green flag clicked. So when you start a program, so you will have to add something to start it. So when green flag clicked, you want to set its position always to this. So let's go in motion and set x, uh, set x to minus 37, and yeah, you got it. Now we wanna just add a forever loop. So then three if then else statement, and the second if then else statement in the else, and the third if then else statement in the second else. Okay, so we'll make sure when we are not doing the first statement, we do a second. If we are not doing the second, we are going to do our third one. So let's add keys through which we can operate it. So when if then touching, okay, sorry, my bad. Right. If then right arrow pressed, and add everything. So the first if then statement is for forward movement, and second one is for backward movement, and the third one is for jumping. So let's add if left arrow. You can add the keys according to you and a space. Okay, so let's add. So we're now always face to the right 90 degree when you move forward. So in case to make sure, we're gonna add uh, point in direction 90. And we will also add this statement in this if. Okay. Now we want to make it work, so we want to change it the x coordinate in case to make it work, in case to move forward. So we are add change x by 10 and same here. So we're gonna make it 8 and this to minus 8. Okay, and make sure you have done it to minus 90 degree. Okay. And yeah, now we have to add a variable that's a work, which you make sure like when you're working it's true, when you're not working it's false. Means you're not like mixing everything together. So like we should add a variable. So I will name it work. Yeah, it's done. So I will set. So first I will use my variable which is not of any need, and so we will set walk to true. So it means when we press right arrow, it will always point in 90 degree direction, and when you press right arrow, the x axis is gonna change with positive 8 and the work will be true. Yeah, that's all. So we'll add the same in our second if statement for the backward movement. Right, so set true. So when we're jumping we don't want to walk, so we'll set walk to false. Yeah, so let me check whether our character is not walking or not. Okay, it's yeah, it's some type of glitch. Oh yeah, we're gonna add it like we have to add rotation style to left to right in case to keep it proper. So yeah, so I will not put in the forever loop, just place it. And yeah, I have to also add a like variable when we are not working. We have to like set our variable to false. So we done. Let's check it. Yeah, now it's sliding on the ground. We want to just add the animation, and the jumping part is not done yet. So yeah, so now I have to add its animation in which like it can change its costume. So then add a code for it. That's let's make it off and make it when green flag click. Want to set it forever, so a forever loop, and we want to use operator. Here we're gonna use only when the walk is true. That means only when the character is walking, then only the costume will change, otherwise it will remain still. So I want to add if then statement and place this and variable walk when if walk is equal to true, then I want to change the costume, so let's set it to next costume. So when the walk is true, the costume will change and the animation will start. And we want to not make it like super fast like bullet train, so we want to give some gap. So we'll add wait like 0.4 second. It will be perfect for me. You can change according to you. It's 0.4, and we want to also add, like when we are not working, we want to remain still. The costume should not be changed. So another if then statement in the forever loop. Yeah, that's like operator false. We are not changing the costume. We want to set the costume as the character is still. So like looks and Swiss costume too. Yeah, outstanding. Yeah, that's all. So the animation part is done. So let's check. Yeah, it's walking, but it's too slow. Yeah, it's too slow. As you can see, it's not moving that quick. So I will just uh, guys, the glitch has been fixed. So I have fixed the glitch. So I also made some changes, like I have changed the y-axis to -49 and add a false statement, set walk to false statement in the third if else, and also change a lot, like I have changed its size to 70, and now it's working very smooth. As you can see, it's working smoothly. So like the glitch has been fixed. So now move on to our final and the last part, jumping. So let's go. So we want to add change y by 80. Yeah, we want to add change y by 80. So the over here in the third else if else statement, so I'll just change it to 80. Okay, and then repeat change y by -20. Yeah, I'll do that. So when we jump, we want to come back on the ground and change y by, so let's change it, change y by -10, and -10 into 8 is equal to 80. So we type here 8. Yeah, so let's check whether it's working or not. Let's check it. Yeah, so let's go. So the glitch has been fixed. Yeah, so yeah, it's jumping quite well. So guys, this is all for today. I also uploaded this project on my the information studio. You can check over there, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.